So you want to export your HubSpot Service Hub data to CSV. Help desk migration is what you need. It's an automated online service that helps to export your data from HubSpot Service Hub to CSV. Here's how to export your HubSpot Service Hub data to CSV. First, select HubSpot Service Hub as your source platform and sign in with your account. Then choose CSV as the data target. Select the data you would like to export. Then start mapping ticket fields. Do it carefully, as it will help you to find your data after the export to CSV. After that, map knowledge base fields. Once the basic setup is done, run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. Review the generated files by clicking Download Dumps buttons next to Contacts, Tickets, and Articles. Check whether the files are valid and all records are in place. When you're ready, hit that Final button and get all your data moving. Just like that, you can export from HubSpot Service Hub such data as tickets along with public and private replies, attachments and tags, users, contacts, companies, articles together with categories and subcategories. Ready to export. Click Sign in to install app and try a free demo.